Rechargeable hand warmers known as UT3 Pro magnetic technology, double-sided heated element hand warmers with a power bank of 5200 milliamps. What you get is the hand warmer. It has 4 blue lights, 4 red lights. So when you long press the unit on, you're going to be on one of the temperature settings, 100 of the 4, 138 degrees. Within about 5 seconds, this is already hot. It is a double-sided hand warmer. This side here gets hot and this gets hot. You have a linear strap, a USB-C charging port area that you will require the USB-A adapter. And when you want to shut the back off, all you have to do is just put it to another hand warmer like so, and it is magnetic. And both hand warmers will warm up. You have both hand warmers on. The whole outside 360 degrees is heating up. And you can separate them to have both of them hot, so you can have both sides of your hands warm. Now you take the USB-C adapter, you plug it in like so. You get yourself a USB-A cable, and you're able to charge your phone, just like so. And you have 100% of charge, 25% increments of each blue LED light. You have a linear strap. It's made of silicone that fits over a nice large hand. You have a pouch that you could put both hand warmers in. And you could wear this hiking, camping, golfing, wherever you like. And if you are a little too hot, you have the controls here in the bag. It takes some of the heat away, and there's a lot you can do with these hand warmers. The UT3 Pro comes with an instruction guide, comes with 2 USB-C cables to charge a unit, a 5200 milliamp battery. Take a couple hours to charge your 360-degree dual side heating hand warmers. Once again, the hand warmer turns on 360 degrees, and when you connect the second hand warmer, the insides will turn off until you separate and then turn back on. I hope you enjoy your hand warmers if these are right for you.